Back in your life, ladies and gentlemen, market situation update. It is Wednesday today. We got a good show today, guys. We're going to talk about the Canadian Swiss franc. As you know, we're very tight on the Canadian Swiss franc this week. Most of our focus this week was dollar Canadian and Canadian Swiss franc, and that still remains the main story. So we're going to touch base on this one. Next video. Cryptocurrency market, guys, seems to be coming off today. Maybe that's the beginning of that downside move we were predicting. We're gonna be talking about the Bitcoin, and we're gonna also take action live, so that's gonna be exciting. Canadian Swiss franc, guys, just a couple of days ago we've been here. As you know, we've knocked off a big target. 73.16 was tagged. We were climbing all the way to that level. We placed our price target, our profit target at that area, and we got out. Later on, we noticed price action just drilled through and was gearing up for the continuation of that move. We felt that there's one last stretch that we may be able to catch, and that's everything from that 73.16 level and all the way to 74.63. It's about 150 pip. So what happened was we got back in, right? We got in with 25K, and yesterday was an explosive move, really explosive move. Took the previous highs and reached a sensitive area. What I mean by sensitive is that there's more chance that we'll see a technical correction. I'm not saying that we will, but there's more chance that we will in that area. So that area is a little bit shaky. So what we did was we closed out about 70% of that position. So we dropped from 25K to 10K. Right? So we took profit and we reduced exposure because risk is bigger right now. I wouldn't say risk outweighs the rewards, because if that was the case, we would be out. But we do take some cautious at that level. If price action will continue to push forward, don't get me wrong, we'll start to drop more trades along the way, right? Probably gonna work with tenors all the way to the target. But yeah, this area here, very close to those previous highs, is a little bit shaky. Stop loss level. Let's see where stop loss level is right now, sitting at 72.70. We're hiding below 73.16 for protection. I can tell you for sure that price action will go all the way to 74.63 in one single move. We might have to absorb a bit of technical correction on the way. All right, that's why we're kind of apprehensive a little bit about the situation here. All the way up to 73.16, that was kind of easy. Now it's getting a little bit harder, but we still believe in that, strongly believe in this conviction. Hence our existing bullish campaign here, $10,000 position right now in the Canadian Swiss franc, going towards 74.63, primary target and final destination. That's about that. Canadian Swiss franc. We will be back to follow up on the situation, and we'll keep you posted. In the meantime, we'll say goodbye, moving on to the next video, where we're going to be analyzing the Bitcoin and we're going to take some action live. So, see you there.